SushiSwap is a popular decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing users to trade a variety of tokens, provide liquidity, and earn rewards. Here's how to use SushiSwap. Set up a wallet. Before using SushiSwap, you need a cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any Web3 compatible wallet. Download and install your preferred wallet, then connect it to the Ethereum blockchain. Connect wallet to SushiSwap. Visit SushiSwap and click the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet and follow the prompts to connect it. Trade tokens. Once connected, you can swap tokens directly on SushiSwap by selecting the tokens you want to trade. Enter the amount of one token you want to swap, and SushiSwap will calculate the corresponding amount in the other token. Confirm the trade in your connected wallet. Provide liquidity. In addition to trading, SushiSwap allows you to earn rewards by providing liquidity to token pools. Select the pool section, choose a liquidity pair, deposit tokens, and earn sushi or other incentives. Staking and yield farming. You can stake sushi tokens or participate in yield farming by providing liquidity to pools and earning additional rewards. Manage transactions. Monitor your trades, liquidity pools, and rewards in your wallet connected to SushiSwap.